All right, guys. Welcome back to another video of Decide Investments. We are going to be looking at charts as we always do. Uh, Straight into it, Euro AUD. And before I start, I just want to say, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. You get me. Thank you for growing with me because I'm also growing in my forex journey. You know, forex is a journey, guys. I believe that you need to like go through this personal journey yourself. You can get a mentor. Yeah, you can get a mentor. You can learn from someone else, most definitely. But at the end of the day, when it comes to your psychology, when it comes to your lot size, when it comes to your capital and all those things that directly affect you, you can get the knowledge from outside. Like myself, I got the knowledge from outside. You can get the knowledge from outside, but when it comes to the actual trading now, like what is directly focusing on you, your capital, your psychology, it's a personal journey, man. So thank you for joining me on my personal journey. As a group, as a community, decide investments. That decide is for you to decide, to take a trade. You get me, bro? Like you need to make a decision at the end of the day, and the only person who can make that decision is you. So only you can choose to invest in yourself. And that was just a small intro. I'm just gonna dive into the charts real quick. This is for the non-believers today. This is for the non-believers, bruh. I'm gonna be doing your AUD. Check out the previous Euro AUD prediction. Check out the previous GBP AUD prediction. Check out the previous GBP JPY prediction. So guys, as you can see now, these are the only 5 charts I'll be focusing on going forward. We have Euro AUD, GBP AUD, GBP JPY, Nasdaq, and US 30. These are the only charts I'll be focusing on going forward from today. You get me? So please enjoy them. Please keep up with them, because even if I do weekly predictions, I try my best to also tune in during the week. I try my best to also tune in during the week to keep up with structures. So I might upload a video on the weekend, Saturday. I might upload a video on Tuesday, Wednesday, like in between the week, just because I'm seeing what structures are doing. Structures are always developing, so that's what we do right here. So with that being said, guys, I'm just gonna jump into it. We knew that the daily was bearish on the on the daily and on the weekly. On the weekly, the trend was bearish. Sorry, the trend was bearish on the weekly. The trend was bearish on the weekly and on the daily. I'm just gonna show you the daily trading zone real quick. The reason why we sold off, because if you can watch the previous videos on AUD, Euro AUD, I was predicting a sell-off and me coming to these lows. It's a Friday today, and look, price is just closing fully bearish. We are coming to challenge this for sure, bruh. You get me? We are coming to challenge this for sure. So moving right along, I'm just gonna move into the 4-hour, man. Just gonna move into the 4-hour. We're gonna continue seeing more bearish structures. I'm just gonna mark them real quick, starting from here, because this is the one that broke this low. More bearish structures, more bearish trading zones. I see this low right here, and then we formed this high right here, and then we came and formed this low right here, and then we came and did that right there, and then we came and did that right there. So structures have just been coming in bearish, bro. Bearish, bro. Right there. came in right there, and we came in right there, and we came in right here, broke that, we became temporary bearish. So remember, I always say that when you break structures to the down, when you break structures on a time frame, when you break structures on a time frame, you go to the next higher time frame to see what really happened. Did you get a body close? You know, those are the questions you need to ask yourself. Did you get a body close? You know, these were lower lows, lower highs, just forming here until we got a break above here. So just going into the daily, we did get a body close, so we were temporary bullish at a certain point in the 4 hour. We were temporary bullish right here within these trading zones. We broke, so I could say that, let me just delete all these, because I want to end up with one 4 hour trading zone. That's why I keep on tracking all the way to the downside. I want to end up with one 4 hour trading zone. So I'm gonna delete all that, delete all that, delete all that, and focus on where we at currently. So right now we here, as you can see, we broke bullish here. Okay, we broke bullish here temporarily on the 4 hour. That doesn't mean the daily changed and became bullish, no. So temporarily we were bullish on the 4 hour right here, and because we broke there, we were bullish within this trading zone here. We were looking for buys within this trading zone here, for buys. I'm gonna delete that. We were looking for buys within this trading zone right here, and as you can see, the market came down up until this zone and bought off again, you know, but it didn't break now this high, you know, didn't break this high. Instead, what happened, we came down and we broke this low, and now, which is the high that caused the break of that low? It's this one right here. So structures are bearish within here, and we are yet to form a low, guys. 4 hour is bearish, and we are yet to form a low. You get me? I'm gonna delete that, and delete that. 4 hour is bearish, and we are yet to form a low. So I'm just gonna leave this hanging right here, you know, hanging on the price line, because I know the market is about to close. It's a Friday. We are yet to form a low, and then from there we are gonna retrace and get a sell again. That's my prediction, guys, on this thing. I'm just gonna view this on the 4 hour only, and view that on the 4 hour only. So guys, as you can see, 4 hour structures are bearish. Daily is also bearish right here. So moving on to the 1 hour, same thing. We are getting bearish structures, guys, getting bearish structures. As you can see, this is a downtrend, bro, clean downtrend. I'm not gonna go too far, because you can see this low was broken right here. When this low was broken right here, it was broken by this high, and it came down and took a rest down here. That consolidation was broken up there, and this became the trading zone right here. This became the trading zone right here, between here and here, between here and here. That became the trading zone. I'm gonna delete these because I want to leave the trading zones that are within, you get me. Between here and here we became bullish, we remained bearish, and then we retraced up here to these structure areas, and now we are bearish on the 1 hour. From here we are yet to form a low, guys. We are yet to form a low, So 1 hour is also bearish. So going into next week, I just want to see what's gonna happen with the Euro AUD, but I am expecting further bearish movement, guys, in the long term. Further bearish movement, but that doesn't mean you can't take a retracement. When you see price start to retrace and break structures to the upside on the lower time frame, especially the 15-minute, 5-minute, you can take that like that. You know, you can't take these structures going up, going up, going up like that on the 15-minute, 5-minute. You know, that's why I like to take them on the 15-minute, 5-minute, because the retracement also moves in structures. You can enter for buys here, and these like low points here, and in order for you to catch that big sell-off again, because this trend is down. That's it for Euro AUD, guys. Moving on to GBP AUD next video.